What's up everyone, welcome to Oh My Tech, the channel where you discover the tech that makes you go wow. Today we have our hands on the Boult Drift smartwatch, which has a really special features at this price, that is at just 1999. So let's unbox it and see if it is worth the hype, at least in terms of build quality and the kind of features it offers. For in-depth reviews, make sure you subscribe to our channel, so the next video would be about all the details that you should know about Boult Drift before you consider picking it up. So here's the box, here's the way it looks once we unbox it. In terms of the quality, the strap, the screen looks excellent, including the build quality. And you also get the charger along with it, so you need not worry. It's USB-C with a magnetic connector, right? So apart from this, if you look at it, it is a normal strap here with sensors, and you can also see the magnet connector here to charge the device. So that's how it looks. And let's unpack it, remove the sticker from the screen and see. Let us turn it on. Now the device is turned on, and as you can see, with the Boult logo and also the default watch face, I'm yet to connect it to my mobile device. That is something which I would be doing while doing the in-depth review, but let me take you through certain features here. So this is the list view of the menu. You can see SpO2, BP, exercise, tracking, weather, messaging, AI voice, camera, control, stopwatch. And if you look at it, it is very similar to the interface of an Apple Watch, especially in the menu, right? And apart from this, you get the basic features such as phone calling, messages, etc. So, as I mentioned, the quality seems to be excellent for the price. It is just that how durable is something that we would have to wait and see. Okay, so that's about it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, so that the moment the in-depth review is available, you will be notified, and that will influence or help you decide how to move forward with the purchase. Right? So go ahead, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, before you move out, take a look at how closely similar it is to Apple's Grid View watch face. Right? So that's how it is in terms of responsiveness, screen size. It's excellent, I would say, for the price. So that's about it, guys. Make sure what you comment, what do you think about the device. Bye.